boy General315, man. I'm back again, another sneaker review video for y'all, man. And today, man, we got a new seller, a new gifter, whatever you want to call them. They came through, they sent me a pair of kicks to review for them. They went ahead and sent over these Jordan 4 Red Thunders for me to do a quick review for y'all and just show y'all what they have. And I'm cool with that. You know what I'm saying? They reached out to me, they asked me to do a video, and I said, absolutely. Y'all know I'll pretty much review anything, good or bad. I don't really care. I'll just review it. Before I get started, just make sure y'all understand that this is an educational video. I'm not condoning the sale or resale of UA goods or counterfeit goods or whatever kind of goods you want to call them. I'm just getting a shoe, I'm reviewing it. I get a chance to see it, you know, see how the construction of it is and all of that. If y'all want to get this shoe on release day, it comes out October 3rd. I believe it's October 3rd. This one drops. If you guys want to get this shoe off of StockX or GOAT, I don't know what the resale cost will be. I don't even know if they have anything on StockX and GOAT. If you see something on the screen, then that's what I found. If it's nothing on the screen, then I couldn't find anything. I kind of been eyeing this one because it looks grossly familiar to the Yellow Thunders that came out, I believe back in 2009. And I think this one, it might stay. It might kind of be like one of those that is not well sought after, but this shoe's pretty hard though. The shoe's dope. But I think this is just gonna be a general release. I think it's just a solid shoe to get when it releases. It's just gonna be one of those solid joints that just come out and everybody can just grab a pair and rock it out. So pretty dope. It's really basic, and I like basic. Red and black, that's it. That's all it is. Nothing crazy on here, and that's pretty dope. So anyway, got these from our friends over at AJ1MMM. That's their WhatsApp and all of that. Y'all can go there and check them out if y'all want to. Your choice. I'm not telling you to do it, but if you want to see what they got, go ahead, see what they got. They pretty cool people over there. So Jordan 4 Red Thunder, pretty sick, man. Like now the Yellow Thunder is the same thing, it's just yellow instead of the red. Now this red is more of an infrared. It's definitely more of an infrared. It's not like your true, like, you know, varsity red or anything like that. It's more of a infrared on this shoe, but I like that. I like that it's not a red or a fire red or anything like that. This is very, very nice. I do like this. So all black upper, and this is nubuck, and it's not a very good nubuck. I think this is going to be how the general release is. It's just black. It's kind of very similar to the nubuck that's on the Jordan 4 Bread. Kind of the same stuff. Nothing crazy. No transition there. Nothing like that. But one of the best parts about the shoe that I like is the midsole and outsole. But anyway, nubuck upper. I like the red waffles for the laces. I like the red in the netting right here, and then also on the toe in the netting right there. I do like that. Red midsole, like those hits right there. You got some white in that air unit right there, and then a black outsole. Now this is my favorite part of the shoe. I just like that solid black with that splatter of red right there. I think that's so dope with that white Jumpman. I think they did this one really, really good. They left it simple and plain. I like that. I like when Jordan Brand does that. They leave it simple and plain. Jumpman logos on the back look pretty good. Medial side of the shoe looks just like the lateral side of the shoe. Nothing different there. I do like how the wings right here that's holding the waffle, I like how those are black. No extra laces with these. I'm not sure when it releases if it's going to have extra laces, but I do like the black. I like it. I like it a lot. There's nothing bad about it. That flight tag right there, that looks dope. It looks to be stitched pretty well. Nothing crazy there. Back of the tongue, you got that red or that infrared or whatever you want to call it with the black Air Jordan. Pretty dope. Standard shoe tree comes with these joints. And then the insole right there is just black with Jumpman. I like this. I really do. I really like this. And there is your sizing tag right there. There's nothing bad that I can say about this shoe. Super slick. I think that it's nice. It's just basic. And sometimes it's cool. Like there's some general releases that's just fire. You know what I'm saying? It's just fire, and like I think we're gonna have a good time with this one when it comes out. Nothing crazy with the flaws or anything like this. It's just a well-built UA shoe. Like I don't see any glue stains really. Maybe a couple spots in here, maybe something like this, but that's just like poor craftsmanship in terms of like in the seam. So it's not something that you're gonna see. Like Jordan Brand is gonna have those same mistakes on their shoes, so I wouldn't worry about that too much. I think this is well built. Actually, I think it's well built. If I had to rate this shoe on a scale of 1 to 10 for colorway, I'll give it an 8 for the colorway. I'll give it a solid 8 for construction. I'll give it 8.5. I think it's dope. It does fit true to size. If you guys are interested, you can go to AJ1MMM or AJ1MMM, however you want to call it, and check their stuff out. See what they got. I definitely approve of these guys. They're pretty good. This is well done. So y'all do what y'all want to do with your own money. Y'all know how I get down. You guys stay humble. You guys stay blessed. And I'll see you on the next one. All right? Peace. What's good, y'all? What's good? What's good? All right, y'all, so check it out. It's raining today. Really kind of just like nasty out. And I wanted to go and get an on foot of these joints right here. These red thunders that we got from our friends over at AJ1 Triple M. AJ1 Triple M, all right? On foot of these joints. I'm still gonna do it, even though it's raining outside right now. Kind of nasty, man. It's just been raining like crazy. I don't know if it's the hurricane that was down south finally made its way up here to New York. It is what it is, right? The show must go on. Just give y'all a quick 360. These are still dope. I like these a lot. They came through. AJ1 Triple M. I'm not telling y'all to go to them, but that's a good spot for some kicks if y'all want to mess with them. All right, y'all, on foot down. I wanted to talk to y'all real quick about something called inflammation. I know you guys have heard of that before. Inflammation. So inflammation is your body's response to something to try and protect itself, right? You'll get inflammation when you sprain your ankle. Your ankle starts to swell up and get all fat and nasty. That's called inflammation. Usually it happens when you have some type of trauma to an area or something like that. Or you can have inflammation in your sinus cavity. In your sinuses, you can have inflammation, and that's why your nose runs, right? People got to remember, when the response is an inflammatory response, normally you're going to have fluids in your body rushing to that area. This is why it's so dangerous for people that have lung injuries, right? If your lungs get burned from a fire or something like that and it brings inflammation, technically a person could drown on their own fluids, because now your body's bringing fluid to your lungs, and then the fluid builds up in your lungs because of the inflammatory response. Your body's actually trying to save itself. It's trying to help itself. But in a situation like that, inflammation is not good. So they'll do things to try and make sure they can bring the inflammation off you. Anyway, inflammation brings fluid to the area that's affected. That's why it swells. Just remember inflammation.